Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing some cranial nerve exercises to help facilitate cranial nerves and their actions, so let's get into it. The first cranial nerve we will be focusing on is cranial nerve 1, the olfactory nerve, which is in charge of your sense of smell. For this exercise, grab your favorite essential oils. We're going to be smelling them through one nostril at a time. To do this, we're going to close one nostril and inhale the scent through the open one. Then we're going to close the open nostril and open the closed one and inhale, then alternate. You're going to repeat this 10 times. This is what it looks like. All done. For this next exercise, we will be combining cranial nerve 2, the optic nerve, cranial nerve 3, the ocular motor nerve, cranial nerve 4, the trochlear nerve, and cranial nerve 6, the abducens nerve. All we'll need to perform this exercise is just one finger. We will be drawing an H pattern in the air in front of us, like so. It's important to keep your head still, looking straight ahead and just following it with your eyes. And bring it back to center. The different directions of movement will test the different nerves. After completing the H pattern, bring your finger straight in front of you and bring it straight toward you, like so, while focusing on it the whole time. Easy peasy. We will perform this test once with our eyes open and a second time with our eyes closed. Now for the second time, you don't have to follow our finger because your eyes are going to be closed, but your eyes will still be doing those same movements, like so. Lastly, focus on one point in front of you and turn your head away from that one focal point in different directions, like so. And this completes this exercise set. The third cranial nerve exercise we will do focuses on cranial nerve 5, the trigeminal nerve. The exercise for this nerve involves moving your jaw in different directions and gentle chewing to facilitate the muscles of mastication. Gently clench your jaw, then deviate it to the left, then to the right, like so. And this concludes the exercise. The fourth cranial nerve exercise we will be doing focuses on cranial nerve 7, the facial nerve. The exercise for this nerve involves making a variety of facial expressions. The 7 expressions we want to perform are smiling, frowning, puffing out our cheeks, raising our eyebrows, squeezing our eyes shut, flexing our platysma, as well as baring our teeth. And that's all for the facial nerve. The fifth cranial nerve exercise we will be performing is for cranial nerve 8, the vestibulocochlear nerve. This exercise will put your balance to the test. Be aware of your surroundings before performing this exercise. First, with eyes open, keep your feet planted on the floor and just sway your body back and forth like so. The next step is to try with your eyes closed. If you feel unstable at all, please hold on to something to help stabilize yourself and to prevent yourself from falling. Practice this about 5 times, and this concludes this exercise. The final exercise for the day doesn't really seem like much of an exercise at all, because it's not. What we're going to do instead, or what I would recommend you do, is to get something sweet, like a lozenge or a piece of candy, and you're just going to suck on it. So what this is going to do is it's going to stimulate those cranial nerves, the remaining ones, cranial nerve 9, which is your glossopharyngeal, cranial nerve 10, which is your vagus nerve, cranial nerve 11, which is spinal accessory, and cranial nerve 12, which is hypoglossal nerve. All of these nerves work together to provide taste sensation as well as tongue movements for the mouth. By sucking on a candy or a lozenge, it helps to stimulate these nerves so they're all able to learn how to work harmoniously with one another. So this concludes all of the cranial nerve exercises. Thank you for watching.